you're at the beginning of your journey. A custom immersive experience awaits upstairs, followed by a short safety briefing, and then we'll move on to our state-of-the-art flying ride. It'll take your breath away, but we promise we'll get it back. After that, you can learn more about our characters and filming locations as you make your way through the after-show areas. So, don't forget your sense of curiosity, but also don't forget to silence your cell phones with the flash off so everyone can fully enjoy what's ahead. All right, it's time. Please follow your guides, listen to their instructions, and get ready to embark on a one-of-a-kind adventure.
Look at the city. The place where
Chicago!
we achieve our goals.
Chicago!
Chicago! So here we go. Here we go. This is your opportunity. You're on stage at the Chicago Theater. 3,000 people are looking at you. All right, give it to me.
Well, the winds are getting cold, but the hearts are filled with people. This place is like something that's happening.
Talk to him! Talk to him! Talk to him!
But Chicago will push you.
You have an audience out here. All right, they don't believe you. Nobody's hearing you. They got to feel you. All right, let's go. Quiet, go. Quit talking. Let's go. And go.
Chicago's heartbeat is fueled by struggle and resilience. It is absolutely a city of persistence.
You have to work hard, you know.
But anybody can do that. It's not a secret, let's put it this way.
It is a city of struggle. But the common denominator is resilience.
You gotta continue to go forward. You know, nothing about the city's easy.
But the hottest fire makes the hardest steel.
This is my family's welding shop. I'm third generation. Maybe my son will be fourth.
When my father started this back in 1945, we went through a lot of hard times. I mean, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. You know.
Chicago has always been a strong city. That cannot happen with just one person or just one neighborhood. While we are a city of 77 very distinct communities, we are one city.
Chicago is a heartbeat of the country.
We all have a different story of how we got here. It's really cool to see people from
Sports is the thing that our city comes together for.
The Chicago Cubs did not win for 108 years. Chicago is the place where people never give up hope.
We are working together as a team. Every day I'm teaching them to have their own little bit of trust to themselves.
But the point is you need to know who you are and what legacy you leave. So those that have created a legacy, those that are coming up in the legacy, you better know who you are. Everybody say, I know who I am.
I know who I am.
All right, cool.
You know, I'm getting older and I know I can't do this forever. So it's no longer up to me. Maybe it'd be up to him.
What would be your dream thing to build? You could build anything in the world.
A city. I want to build a city.
It's not brick and mortar, it's the people. People makes the city.
My mom started selling corn outside the street. She planted that seed that we get together and we could build something.
I often ask myself, what do my kids see when they see Chicago? And right back up the middle.
We landed in Chicago with the clothes on our backs. But look at me now. You too can do and be anything that you want here in Chicago.
This city is not perfect. But I guarantee you we're building it every day.
Because in Chicago, dreams can come true. And they do.
You show them who you really are.
What are you doing?
FlyOver Chicago.
Papis, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, okay. Okay, fast enough, fast enough. Come on, this isn't a roller coaster, is it?
What did they do?
Huh?
What did they do?
Huh?
Took too much.
Puppies.
You need to know who you are and what legacy you leave. So those that have created a legacy, those that are coming up in the legacy, everybody say, I know who I am.
No flash photography, please.
Tu vois la plage? C'est... C'est ça là, tu dis, ça ressemble à Courage. Quand on a passé devant ça là, c'est ça, tu dis, ça ressemble à Courage Khalifa. ici on est actuellement. Tu vois le truc là?
Le truc là.
C'est ici on est actuellement. Papis,